Hey guys, we are in I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, Ellijay, maybe?
Georgia.
Georgia. I've heard some locals pronounce it differently, but I'm not really sure how it goes. But last night we ate at the Shack. I'll put some pictures right here. And we also had coffee across the road from it this morning. Those were both good. The Shack was amazing as far as the ramen goes there.
They have ramen and udon noodles.
And pretty good boba tea.
Boba tea. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's pretty good. So we're about to head out for now. We were gonna walk you around the town, but it is raining. So we're just gonna do a car thing and we're gonna head to our next destination, which is, remember what the place is called?
Amicalola.
Amicalola Falls, but we're gonna head up that way now. All right guys, here's what we did. We went from Ellijay and we went down to the falls, which was about a 30-minute trip. If you want to do this and make it a quick trip, here's what we did. We went in the park, which I think was $5 to get in. And if you go to the upper observatory, this is the main area attraction to this park. It's the largest waterfall. I think in Georgia was the fame here. It's also a really pretty park. But you can either go to the upper observatory and just check out the top of the fall. If you want to go down the really cool stairs that we went down and enjoy like hiking, this would be a really quick trip. All right, we parked the car here and there's a little trail that runs right beside the road. We went back over here and then we went down the stairs. And then from there you can go look at the bottom of the waterfall. And then when you're done doing that, you can go right back down this trail, which is made of rubber. It's pretty nice. Back to your car and you're done. Whole trip maybe took an hour. If you stop and look, maybe an hour and a half. Right here. All right, we're getting tired, but quick explanation of what we're doing. We are at this park. We parked down there. We're gonna walk back up and come back down. But the main thing is, we're here for our anniversary. It's been 8 years.
8 years.
And I still love her.
Aww. Love you.
All right, we're at the top, we're sweaty, but check out this view. There you go. All right, so from here, trail starts right there.
It's so pretty.
Alright, what's also cool about these steps is you see through it going down, so you really have no nature feel to it. So it's a little bit sore doing this. What do you think about this step?
I got dizzy once or twice. Maybe don't look straight down.
Yeah, we'll go.
Check this out, guys.
Alright, so here we are at the bottom of these steps, and this is where we park, is going to be that way. But looks like you can go see more of the waterfall if you go the other way. And we're fine. Not too tired, so we're heading that direction.
Alright. Follow the rubber brick road. Guys, this trail is rubber. It looks like concrete, but it's rubber. And it's only 10 minutes from the parking space to the falls if you take this spot. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness.
Alright, we're done. Heading back.
It's been a really nice time. The waterfall is beautiful. If you get a chance, check it out. Again, that name is Amicalola Falls. It's a great suggestion by the ladies at the shack here in Georgia. And if you're interested, they also have campgrounds too. You can get a campsite for about 52 bucks.
Yeah, there's no real tent camping prices. It's just regular RV sites.
You can bring your tent, but you're kind of setting up in an RV set up site. You have electric and power and everything you could possibly want. Really nice bathrooms and showers.
Going down.
Yeah, hole in the ground.
All right, we're back at the vehicle. We're leaving the rubber brick road.
All done.
Going back to like a bunch of pilgrims walking on a hard road right now. But that was cool. Overall,
Best
not that bad. So yeah, not that bad of a walk either. I thought it was going to be a lot worse. Just walk from this parking spot up the hill and back down, and then when you get down to the bottom, you can take a left and go check out the bottom of the waterfall and come back. And really easy, maybe hour and a half, 2 hour adventure.
That's if you stop and take in the sights. We stopped several times and just kind of sat there and stared at the waterfall.
But we're back to Hotel Prius, Camping Prius, whatever you want to call this. All right, that's it for this week, guys. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. After we left this park, we did go to North Carolina and went to Cherokee, so that'll probably be our next video.